Hello my friends, welcome to Kid Study Station. In today's session, I'm going to share few tips for our new writers and guidelines for parents. Let's start. Last week I met one of my friend and she shared her problems that she is facing while teaching her daughter. She taught her daughter all capital letters and small letters, and now she is working on 2 letters and 3 letters words. Her daughter is struggling to write letters correctly. Few of the examples I have given over here. She wrote hat, but it looks like nat. And look at this at. This T should be tall letter. It shouldn't be a tail letter. When I asked her how did she teach her, what did she use and all, and then I came to know that she used single line book and sometimes she used plain papers to teach her letters. We've been learning capital letters. We are using 2 lines only from the 4 lines. We could learn capital letter using single line or plain paper also, like this. But we are using 4 lines to write capital letters. Why? Because 4 lines plays very important role in writing English letters, especially in small letters. You could see few of the small letters given over here. The letter E I have written in between 2 blue lines. Letter B I have written first red line and second blue line. And the G I have written in first blue line and second red line. Yes, the small letters we have to write different ways. All letters won't start from the same line. Some letters we have to write between 2 lines. Some letters we have to write between first red and second blue lines, like B, and some letters we have to write like G. That's why it's very important to focus on your shapes. We can't write all shape same way. Some shapes are short, some shapes are tall. That's why if you have to focus on the shapes, you have to use the 4 lines. Then only it will clear that which shape you have to write short and which shape you have to write tall. This will helpful to your child to understand these shapes. One of the example we'll see here. Small n and small h. You could see both letters similar, but there is a difference of standing line. In the N, standing line is short, and in the H, standing line is tall, which is touching to the first red line. Accidentally, if you will write standing line tall while writing N, then N will look like a H. Same thing will happen while writing the H. Accidentally, if you will write or draw the standing line short, your H will look like N. That's why it's very important use 4-line book while teaching alphabet. Don't make them write on plain paper or single line paper. Now we'll see how to use this 4-line book. If your kid is new learner or new writer, Don't use the regular four-line book. It means that wide distance between two lines. These four lines will help your kid to improve his or her eye and hand coordination. Once their eye and hand coordination will improve, you can use our regular four-line books. Now, while using four-line books, first you draw standing line and make them write or practice letters. Once they will learn the letters, after that stop drawing standing lines and make them use their left hand index finger to keep proper distance between two letters. Hope all these tips and the experience will help you to teach your kid alphabets. In the next session, we are going to discuss and share the tips to improve your kids' vocabulary. We'll meet in the next session with lots of tips and ideas. Till bye.